Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean a microwave in 5 minutes without using any harsh chemicals. I'm going to use a lemon. I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to squeeze the juice in a bowl. I'm going to pour about 2 cups of water in the bowl. Then I'm going to place the bowl inside of the microwave for 5 minutes. I'm actually going to put the lemon inside of the bowl. And I'm going to place it inside of the microwave for 5 minutes. Okay, so this is 5 minutes after being. I'm going to take the bowl out of the microwave. Be careful because it will be very hot. I'm also going to take the tray out of the microwave also, and then I'll just wash it inside of the sink. And as you can see how dirty this microwave is. The next thing that I'm going to do and if you can see just how clean it comes up, very easy. And when you think about it, when you buy any kind of chemicals in a store to clean your microwave, it always has citrus in it. And there's a reason for that. And the reason is that it cuts the grease and the grime out of anything that you're trying to clean. And you see how easily this comes up. And this is just after 5 minutes of use. So I'm just going to rinse this sponge off a little bit. And then I'm going to continue to wipe. And this is just, remember guys, this is only 5 minutes with the lemon. So make sure that you clean the sides well. Make sure that you get the back of the microwave also. Both sides. And as you can see, the food, the baked on food is still coming out. And after, I will use a kitchen towel to get the remaining excess out. As you see, there was a lot of baked on food inside of this microwave. And this happens when you don't use a cover for your microwave. So I'm going to use a kitchen towel now. And I'm just going to do the same exact thing that I did. And as you can see, it's still dirty there. I'm going to clean the back of it. And this is all with just using a lemon. And just leaving it in for 5 minutes. And the results are pretty amazing. And this is without using any type of harsh chemical. Because when you think about it, and you find using a harsh chemical inside of your microwave, and then you're placing the food in the microwave after you have the chemical, there's still residue of the chemical inside of the microwave, and it actually will get into your food. And for health reasons, that's why I don't use any harsh chemicals in a microwave to clean the oven. The lemon makes the microwave smell very lovely. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.